Sports 360 at yung buong commercial break po, tinugtog po nila yung buong kanta. Ganun lang, no?
Ngayon lang natapos.
Nasakto lang talaga na doon natapos. Welcome back to the show, ladies and gentlemen. And now, ang ating papag-usapan ngayon, ang ating mga Leo Awards. Of course, for those that are new to the PBA, mga bagong fans, ito po ang inyong mga season-long awards.
Yes.
The awards that we give at the end of the year. At syempre, ito ang mga nangyari. Of course, ang ating Sportsmanship Award going to Junmar Fajardo on part of the all-defensive team. Went to ang ating most improved player, Terrence Romeo, and Stanley Pringle taking home the Rookie of the Year. Ang ating mga mythical five members, of course, Calvin Abueva and Terrence Romeo also joining there. Greg Slaughter, Jason Castro, and Arwin Santos joining Junmar Fajardo on top for mythical team. First team, and it was a fantastic night para sa lahat ng mga SMB fans as Junmar Fajardo also took home your MVP. Only the fourth player to win back-to-back MVP awards.
Alam mo, nakakatuwa dahil this is also very exciting for us. We are direct witnesses to the accomplishments of the PBA players, pero very exciting pa rin na malaman kung sino yung mananalo. Nakakatawa, pinag-usapan namin ni James, yung first mythical team, Jason, The Blur, Angas ng Tondo, Greg Slaughter, Arwin Santos, lahat ng mga yan may mga moniker. Kahit daw Avengers matatalo nila, ganun sila ka-powerful.
Ang tindi nun. Ang tindi nila lahat. Of course, for Apple, you've seen them practice. You see that hindi lang sa 48 minutes na naglalaro, dun yung pinaghihirapan nila. It's all about the practices as well.
Oo naman. Dun mo nga daw ma-differentiate yung good player from great players. Kasi yung mga great players, talagang hindi sila nakukontento. They keep on improving. They try to find ways kung ano ba bang pwede mong maidagdag sa laro. Kasi pag once inisip mo na magaling ka na, then you stop there.
Yes.
Alam mo, ito with the annual awards, of course, which is the Leos, this is a good starting point for us to go back.
Yun.
What really has happened, mga kaganapan that was really very memorable, remarkable for this past season.
At syempre, ang sisimulan po natin ang recap ng last season with the influx of two new teams, especially yung surprise at yung hype ng pagpasok ng Kia. They were
Manny Pacquiao yan eh!
They were Kia Sorrento at the time. At Manny Pacquiao ang syempre ang kanilang first round pick. And then, of course, their head coach as well. It was a big moment for Kia.
Of course, alam mo, not only is it a big moment for Kia or for the PBA, it's also a big news for the world of sports.
Yes.
Of course, him being someone everybody looks up to because of all of his achievements in the world of boxing.
Yep. And from there, syempre, ang isa pang ang ating tututukan dyan ay ang Global Port. Showing an exciting brand of play na nasa tuktok pa rin ng lahat ay si Terrence Romeo at si Stanley Pringle, your ROI and your most improved player at the same time. It's really fun to watch Global Port.
Oo naman, lalo na ngayon, di ba, nakakausap namin yung mga coaches. And habang tumatagal, lalo nilang nafe-feel na itong Global Port, hindi lang basta-bastang team eh. They have to prepare, contender na sila. Talagang alam nila na pahihirapan sila. Tulad niya sabi ko na, hindi na ibibigay. Parang it's not a win agad. Kailangan pagtrabaho para mapanalo. Ganun na ka-threat ngayon ang Global Port.
And it went across the board. Yung Kia, naging naman sila, mga giant killers. Global Port was the same way as well. Blackwater got their wins in. There was no easy win all throughout this season. And that included all the way down to the finals of our Commissioner's Cup. Nung umabot ng double overtime ang Game 7 between Talk and Text and Rain or Shine. What a finals that was. And all throughout the entire season, hindi mo kasi alam kung sino mananalo. Whether it was the finals, the semifinals, the quarterfinals, and elimination round, it was such a great season.
Bago mo kasi matuntun yung finals, gaya nga ng pinag-uusapan natin kanina, everybody else were very competitive. So bawat yugto from the eliminations to the quarters to the semis, hanggang sa mga bugbugan nga ng playoffs na ganyan, na nakikita natin, it just shows the character, the attitude, that gusto that every team has to really win and compete.
Tama yun. Sabi nga ng mga coaches palagi, any team can beat any team.
Yes.
Kaya kailangan A-game talaga bawat pagpasok sa court. Dahil kung hindi, ay talagang mapag-iiwanan to.
Mapag-iiwanan.
And of course, congratulations to all of our champions all throughout the year. Sa kabila naman po, the drought continues for Barangay Ginebra. Yet another season where there seems to be more and more questions that are being put on them. But that's never going to waver the support of the fans.
Of course, alam mo, Barangay Ginebra always has its strength, yung sixth man nila. And just like other teams, maybe they may not have gotten any championships for a long time, pero ganun din naman yung storya ng iba.
Yes.
Ang importante dito, nakikita natin that they are always very willing to work together and compete. Ready sila as every conference opens.
Apple, you've been in that dugout. How is the chemistry and how is the atmosphere of that team?
Well, ang masasabi ko lang sa Ginebra, I can feel na even yung players, parang namumroblema sa bakit nga ba hindi sila manalo-nalo. Pero andun naman andun yung sangkap, kompleto naman sila ng players. Pero may something missing and hopefully, para sa mga Ginebra fans and next season, mahanap na nila yan.
Speaking of finding it and finding it very, very much, ito naman po ang San Miguel Beermen. Fear the Beer has returned once again on top of the PBA world. The glory days of San Miguel are back, and Robert Nunn said during the celebration that he is just extremely happy with the way that this team has gone.
Oo, talaga namang it's a huge achievement, and once again seeing there Junmar Fajardo really being the center of the team, putting them together because of his height, because of his power. Talaga namang they were able to put out at the right position yung skills and talents ng bawat isa, bringing them to a team that is really cohesive on both ends.
It is so fun to watch San Miguel play. Kitang-kita mo talaga na yung bounce back nila dahil nga na dun sa subpar performance, if you want to look at it based on the other results, they did finish this season very, very strong. And at the end of this season, syempre, ang una natin tututukan ngayon, ang start ng next season, and that's of course always with the PBA draft. And it's always fun to see yung influx ng bagong talento sa loob ng pambansang liga.
At yan nga po, nakikita natin ang ating PBA draft order. Nangunguna ang Talk and Text at susundan naman po yan ng Kia. At po nga pangatlo ang Rain or Shine. Susundan ng Meralco Bolts, Barangay Ginebra, and there you have NLEX, once again Meralco Bolts, and then Blackwater, Star Hot Shots, NLEX once again, Alaska Aces, and Rain or Shine. Yan po ang ating first 12. Yan ang order ng ating first 12. Very interesting, Aaron, dahil Talk and Text, alam natin, they were surprisingly eliminated.
Yes.
Eliminated nitong huling conference natin, but they have the opportunity to step up right back because of that first round.
Yes, I mean, you have the players like Tautua, na Troy Rosario nandun din, Ray Parks, na baka sumali rin ng PBA draft. A lot of new players that will be joining the PBA come next season. Right now, though, let's hand you on over to the #1 pick ng lahat ng puso nyo, Ramon Bautista and Jojo the Love Survivor.
Thanks, guys! Ngayon naman, tignan natin ang mga nag-trending sa ating Facebook, no? Sa ating social media, the most memorable 2015 PBA moments. Eto, Jojo, mula kay Era Kasi, ang favorite moment ko, Finals MVP po, ang napanalunan ni Kuya Junmar Fajardo bukod po sa Sportsmanship Award, All Defensive Team, Mythical 5, First Team, at may bonus pang kiss sa girlfriend niya.
Napanood ko yan, Paps.
Champion na champion. Ayan, ano? Mula naman kay Jemo Velasquez, ang favorite moment niya.
Sino yan?
Yung Apple David sa dugout celebration. Panalo sa ganda.
Basang-basa, Paps.
Gano'n?
Oo, napanood ko si Apple David.
Ayan. Mula naman kay Rosel Ellis, yung tres ni Japet na nagpakabog sa milyong-milyong fans ng Ginebra na talagang nag-trending pa.
Naman.
Mula naman kay Ramel Adarayan, shoe palpal of Rico, yung ginamit yung sapatos.
Idol talaga si Rico talaga.
Eto
Wala
naman.
talaga. Sapatos ang ginamit.
Ito naman, galing kay Roshin Marie Relator, Dunking Dunigan, and Ice Cold OJs, Bastos Jam.
Bastos Jam.
Makadakdak.
Uy, grabe.
Ikaw, bastos lang. Yung jam niya, bastos.
Bastos lang
Yun,
talaga.
Ito. Okay, guys. Balik sa inyo.
Yun.
Of course, so we will find out more. Sports
3-3.